Hi everybody and welcome back to Lola's Drawing Studio. Today we'll be drawing this cool emoji. So first, this is the easiest bit. We'll draw a big circle. Well, it doesn't really matter what the size is. And then we'll go to one side and we'll draw a little line there like that. And we'll go to the other side and draw a line. That's how we're going to line up our sunglasses. Next we're going to get the top and we're going to go about 2 centimeters away and we're going to draw a little loop and down and then a little loop again and connect them. And you should make them bigger, but that's okay. And do the same on the other side. This won't be as good as my other one, but it doesn't matter. Then we connect it to the back. We connect the sunglasses to the black line. Next we'll draw the mouth. So we'll just do a little mouth, maybe a little dimple there, and a tongue showing that it's really cool. And I think we are actually almost done. Yeah. Now it is time to colour in. Thank you for watching Lola's Drawing Studio. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you keep watching my videos. And bye-bye.